Hey everybody, my name's Jason and I'm starting to do a video blog on my woodworking. I like to do it as a hobby, but I've started to do a lot of projects for people whenever they ask me to. Make tables, benches, anything really. This blog is mainly just to show what I'm up to, not exactly like a how-to kind of video. I mean, if you do have questions, I can answer them down below. Other than that, it's pretty much what I'm up to. It's not going to be anything consistent. It's just going to show certain projects I'm working on right now and how I finish them, how I do it, where I go get the stuff, how I pick the stuff, you know. Maybe tips and tricks, anything really. I know ever since this whole Corona thing happened, everyone's at home more and they have nothing really to do, so maybe this could help some people maybe find a new hobby, or just to simply learn something different, see how easy certain things are. So, alright, cool.